In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this half-transparent material by mixing transparent and Voronoi texture nodes. This scene is composed of two sphere meshes. The outer one is used to block the environment light. Please use Eevee with bloom turned on, and the environment light can be anything since we won't be using it. I'll create a new material, and show you from the beginning. I'll mix this BSDF node with a transparent node. We won't be able to see the transparency, unless we add more nodes to the factor slot. This won't do much either, because alpha status is decided by black and white colors. Once we add a color ramp node, then we can see the transparency. We still can't see through, and that's because we're using the Eevee render engine. Now we can see through. Here are the full nodes, and I'll show you what each node does next. I think we can create a star field this way. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.